This is the week. This is the week you're all going to be complaining about how hot it is. Incidentally enough, it's the first full week before many schools start next week. And yeah, summer is here. So far this year, we've only had 16 days of triple digits. That ranks 47th most. The historically latest day of triple digit temperatures, October 2nd, 1938. So let's play a game. Let's say we see triple digit temperatures every day from tomorrow through October 2nd. That's 58 days, which would land us at 74 total, which would not beat the record nor last year. I am not, by the way, forecasting a stretch of triple digits that will last that long, but I do have them every day in the next week. Tomorrow, high temperature 101 degrees, hazy and hot. The hottest we've seen so far this year, 102, and we will surpass that later on this week. Also a heads up, if you're thinking maybe next week will be better as the kids are going back to school in many districts, well, the 13th through the 19th, very strong signal for warmer than average temperatures and near or even drier than average in terms of precipitation. It's the rain, for instance, that hit yesterday that has really helped us out, and a couple of weeks ago, especially in July. 97 was our high today. Our current temperature is 87 degrees. While we are high and dry, anything but, we've got Tropical Storm Debbie. We've got a disturbance in the Caribbean that has a 30% chance of developing, and no threat to land, but multiple tropical systems out in the Pacific. Let's talk more about Debbie. Winds down to 45 miles per hour, but it's not the wind that's a threat. It is the heavy rain and the fact that this system is stalling, just barely crawling. It's going to move back into the Atlantic and then make a second landfall in South Carolina. Likely, though, not until Wednesday or Thursday, and then it will push inland through the mid-Atlantic and up toward the Northeast. For us, this big H, that's the heat dome. The heat dome is large and in charge and is going to mean our temperatures soar. By Thursday, I'm forecasting 105. By Friday, 106, the peak of this particular heat wave. So maybe tomorrow's 101 isn't too bad after all. Another note I want to make, ozone is going to be an issue. Last week it was Saharan dust. This week it's going to be ozone. By Wednesday, we're forecast for code orange that may prompt our next ozone action day.